Hello everyone. The much awaited Stable Diffusion model SDXL 1.0 was released yesterday. In today's video, I will guide you on how and where you can use this for free. Moreover, I will share my personal ChatGPT prompt, so stick till the end, that allow you to create prompt based on a keyword. Not only that, I will show you a special trick to help you perfect the text in your image, which even Midjourney is not able to do it yet. So without further delay, let's dive in. So before we start, let me give you a walkthrough of my prompt, and this prompt will be available as a link in the description of the video. You can take it from there. So we will not spend much time, but I want to explain the major points as a part of this prompt. So there are some basic instructions given to the prompt, then how the prompt structure will be. Okay. Apart from that, each point represent what, and then regarding text value, as I'm talking, getting text as a part of the AI image is very difficult. So for SDXL, I have used this and this works for most of the time. So you'll be using text value written on and subject description, which should be in less than 20 words. And so prompt will look something like this: text SDXL written on a frothy warm latte viewed top down. So to get the text value in your image using SDXL, you can use prompt like this. And then there are some basic sample prompt for images, generic images. And in the end, you will find some basic information that prompt should be less than 230 character, and it should always be given as a single sentence in code cell, and that's all. So as you can see here, I have given this prompt to ChatGPT 4 model, and over here I have just given a keyword portrait of a beautiful girl, and it has created three prompts for me. And using this prompt, we will be able to generate images, which I'll show you later on. And then love written on a cloud. So you can see here it understood that I'm looking for a text, so it has now creating a prompt based on a given instruction, that is text love written on a fluffy white cloud, and so on. So let's go ahead and start creating images now. Stable Diffusion XL is accessible in two places. First through ClipDrop, Stability AI official website, and second via Playground AI platform, which I'll talk later. To access via ClipDrop, just go to clip.go, and under tool you will find this Stable Diffusion XL option. Click on this. Over here, you have an option to provide prompt. Apart from that, there are some basic settings about style, aspect ratio, and negative prompt. So let's go ahead and provide our prompt. So I'm going with this portrait of a beautiful girl, and with the style of photographic, aspect ratio of widescreen 16:9, and negative prompt, I would just go with NSFW text and watermark. Okay, and you can go ahead and click on generate. As I'm not the subscriber of this site, it is going to take some time. As you can see, a lot of people are using. Our image is ready. Let's have a look. By default, it generates four images. So this is our first image, second, third one is gone wrong, and fourth image. So this looks really great. And if you want to save, you can go ahead and save from here, or you can also download it via this download button. So let's get back and try to generate another image. So this time I'm going to generate a text. So I've given a prompt, text love, written on a wispy glowing cloud, and there are some more details. These prompts will be given in the description section. You can take it from there and try it by yourself. And once again, for style, I'll just go ahead and use neon punk. Aspect ratio, I'll go with 1:1. And negative prompt, I have to remove text and watermark because this is something that I'm going to use. So let's go ahead and click on generate and click on continue in free mode and skip. So our result is ready. Let's have a look. So getting text as a part of AI image is really difficult, and it doesn't work most of the time. But this SDXL model is something where we are able to create this text effect. I will share you some more of my example which I've created earlier, and it works really well. So let's have a look at the result here. This looks really great. This is not that well. This is also okay, and this one is perfect. So as you can see here, generating image as a part of clip drop is really difficult because we have to wait for really long time. So for the rest of the video, we'll be using different AI platform, that is Playground AI. Playground AI is another platform where SDXL 1.0 is available, and we can use this in free tier as well. Free tier of Playground is really amazing. You get to generate 1,000 images per day, and you have amazing features available. And if you want to learn more, you can watch my previous video. The link is in the top corner. Let's use Playground AI to create our images now. On the right side over here, you will see that you have Stable Diffusion XL option. Go ahead and select that. By default, image dimension is 1024 and 1024. Prompt guidance is 10, quality is 50, and sampler is something which you can select. I like this, so I've selected this one. And we have this filter for generic image. I don't want to use any filter, so I'll select none. And then I want to provide my prompt here. So for prompt, I've created again some sample over here in my chat GPT. So subject was about a fairy explosion, cinematic still directed by Michael Bay. So this is what three prompt it has been given for three different subject. First one is superhero, race car, and lone space marine. So let's take the first one. Go to Playground AI and provide our prompt. Then I have given some negative prompt over here, and let's go ahead and click on generate. So our result is ready. Let's have a look here. So four images has been generated over here, and you can just go ahead and expand this and have a look. So all of the four images are really great. I really like this one the most. So let's go ahead and try another one. So this time I'll just go ahead and take this car one and provide the details over here, and we can keep the negative prompt as it is and click on generate, and it will again generate four images. So our result is ready. You can see here we have this futuristic car, and we have this explosion. This one is really amazing. This is image. So let's go ahead and expand this one. So, and if you want to see all your results which you have created, you can go ahead and look at your profile section, and all the generated image will be available over here. So you can see that I've created this text effect, and the prompt was text love written on a wispy glowing cloud set in a vibrant neon lit cityscape night sky. So this way you can create the prompts and use for words. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.